Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on Snapchat app Playback on your Android device. Follow these simple steps to enable this feature and enhance your Snapchat experience. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Look for the Apps option and tap on it to access a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list and locate the Snapchat app. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app settings. Now, within the Snapchat app settings, look for the Appear on Top option and tap on it. This setting allows the app to appear on top of other apps when running in the background. After tapping on Appear on Top, you will see an option to allow permission. Make sure to turn on this permission to give Snapchat the access it needs to run smoothly when playing back videos. And that's it. You have successfully turned on Snapchat app Playback on your Android device. Now you can enjoy watching Snapchat videos without any interruptions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.